where the elders authorized the youth as workers story. In the past, young men worked as assistants to the elders in the construction of houses. However, a time came when the young men believed they had learned enough. Since they earned little money, they decided to separate from the elders and take on jobs independently. They began offering cheaper services, but when it rained, their buildings collapsed. The complaints were so numerous that they reached the ears of Olofin. In response, Olofin summoned both the young men and the elders to a meeting. Olofin ordered each group to build a house. When the work was completed, the young men's house turned out poorly. Olofin then asked the elders to explain why this had happened. The elders responded that the young men had placed all the tiles facing upwards, instead of alternating one upwards and one downwards, to create a proper channel for water drainage. Hearing the elders' correct explanation, Olofin declared, "From now on, only the elders will have the authority to certify the young men as skilled workers." 2. Ibn Eshu.